Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am have 15 years of experience in education industry, and ma'am today is going to share her expertise and her knowledge with us, and it is going to be very helpful webinar for all of us. So thank you everyone for joining once again. Thank you so much. Over to you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Hello, everyone. This is Bhavna Thakkar, and I'm going to take you through a very interesting session on stress management. By the end of this session, you will see a change in your state of mind. I guarantee that. You will be much calm, cool, and thought free. It's important to identify the and know what type of stress you have or the what level you are at, because as the stress level increases, your productive level will reduce, and that will affect your confidence level also. So in anything what we do, we should be productive, right? So our productivity is directly related to our stress. Okay, so let's see what all this is about, how to identify the stress and what is stress. We'll just start with that simple things. Like we all feel we are normal, okay, somewhere, but back of our this thing we may be experiencing stress. So now how to identify this stress? For that, you just have to see simple change of behavior in yourself. Our behavioral changes, suddenly we become irritated, we become aggressive, moody, we just get angry at people. So this are symptoms of stress which is going back of your mind. Okay, actually you don't want to, ideally you don't want to be angry, you don't want to be irritated, but it just naturally happens. So this happens because there is back of the mind some stress. So this is one identifying this thing. Then you become, second one is you become, tend to become less social. You want to avoid people, you want to be alone, or you want to be in your comfort zone, you want to be only with your one or two friends, you don't want to go around in a group. So when these things start happening to you, there is some stress again. Then you take least interest in work, you feel like just sitting doing nothing. Anything is told to you, you are unable to do. It's not that you don't want to do, even if you think you want to, but something is pulling you back and you don't feel like doing anything. So that is also a kind of stress which you're going through. So these three are the triggers, you can say, to identify that your body is going through some stress. Okay, so stress is nothing but your body's reaction to change in your environment. Any changes happens in your circumstances in your daily environment, so how do your body react to it? That is what is your stress. Based on the response, stress can be positive or negative. Few things we just take it lightly, okay, or we take it as a positive motivators, but few things subconsciously turn up to be negative and they pile up to become our stress. So stress is a daily reality for all. Okay, it's nothing that we cannot say, okay, I don't have, I am stress free. It is there. It is there in the form of positive or negative. It is always there. Some stress are really good also. They keep you motivating. Okay, so it's not that stress is something always bad. It is a part of it, part of our living. It is there within us. We just have to learn to identify and bring a solution for it. It is a natural reaction to high pressure situation. And in small doses, it is very beneficial, as I said. Any situation comes up, any high pressure, kuch aa gaya. So, how you react to that situation identifies your stress. It can lead to both physical and emotional health problem also. There, simply we can just start with there are two types of stress. Okay, it can be short term and long term. Short terms are fine. Okay, they are temporary. They don't do any much harm to you. These short term pressure are required, which keep you going on. If they are not there, you will become just what you say, a person which is nor take it everything as cool that way. So sometimes little bit stress is required, but once it accumulates, it becomes chronic, means it becomes a long term stress, then it becomes a worry. Acute is normal and everyone faces it, like sometime like running late for work or for your school, so you become stressed, oh my god, I'm late. So that stress is there, or you are forgetting your some important things, You have to collect it, take it, so your project you have done, and you forget it at home. Then you become stressed again. Or some important documents which you were supposed to take, but you forget. Generally, it happens with the keys also. We go out of the house and we realize, okay, oh, keys are not there, or you have misplaced the keys. So all these small things become a stress level to us, but these are short term. But when it becomes long term, okay, they keep on building these small things. Many a times they keep on building, okay, and then they become a high pressure situation over a long period. This results into anxiety, depression, high pressure, diabetes, and other symptoms. Okay, these are some of the symptoms when stress level go high. This stress level goes high depending on the situation you must be facing. There are many situations in our life. There can be birth, there can be death, there can be some accident. So these situations lead to chronic stress. So these stresses affect, we'll just see the harmful effects of this stress and then we will come to the solutions of it. Okay, so let's first understand what is stress, what are its effects, harmful effects, and then how to deal with it. There are very simple techniques to deal. I'll just show you all at the end. So if in our body, when the stress level increases, our pressure is directly affected. We have BP problem, high BP problem, sugar problem. Sugar, generally the diabetic patient, if you ask any diabetic patient that how did it start, so it is somewhere there is some story which is related to the stress he was going through that period. Okay, so that your insulin level reduces and all that is scientific. But the first thing what that the trigger point for that diabetes or for the sugar or for the BP is the stress. So it's very important that we identify and cure our stress at the early stages only. It will start with a minor headache. Okay, these small headaches, if they are regular, then you have to find out the cause and just remove them. Fatigue, you feel tired for no reason, no enthu in life, you don't want to do anything or any work. So these are all indication. Okay, so when you get these indicators, you have to act on it. Your mind is unable to concentrate, you are studying, you are going through, you're reading, but you are unable to understand things. It happens many a time. You're calculating in maths, but you are unable to do simple calculations which you were able to do before. Few months back or last year you were expert in that, and but suddenly you find, Carrie, you're finding it difficult. So what is the reason? There is no nothing that your intellectual has reduced or nothing, but in between there is come a gap, and that gap is filled by this stress. We have to just remove this stress. Okay, you may be feeling sad, or all that things keep on happening. So all is okay, but still you are not happy. These are just the indicators of stress. So when you just, if when I'm talking, you must be identifying some of the stress level within you, and you must be identifying the reason also. So I'll just ask you all, are these reasons or are these problems really a problem? Do you think so? There is a question. I'll just answer you, Sajid, later. It is genetic. That's what you are asking. Hereditary. Yes, it is. It is passed on because from our parents, but we can deal it. We can come out of it even though it is genetic. Okay. That also I will show you how. Stress and strain are almost the same. They both strain or leads to stress. Okay. Yeah. So I'll continue. Sajan, you can keep asking and I'll answer as and when I see it. Thanks for your questions. I would appreciate others also. Whenever you all want, you can just put on your questions and I'll answer it in between. So, as I was saying, say these problems, whatever, or the stress, what we feel, is it really a problem? You just have to think it over. These problems, actually, if you see, they are not problems at all. It is all the matter, the way you see and you handle the situation. Like a simple example, if I give. that I am going, I want to reach somewhere. Okay, I have to leave and I have to reach on time to one particular place. I take my scooty or my bike, whatever. I start it. I reach halfway and suddenly it stops. Now I am panicked. I am stressed. Oh my God. I had to reach and my scooty, my vehicle is not supporting me. What to do? Finish. End of the world. Is it so? No, not at all. It's okay. It happens. It's fine. I just have to look at that it had to happen. It happened. It's okay. Nothing great in it. Okay, I don't have to take it as a stress on my mind. Whatever time, it is all destined. Whatever time I was supposed to reach at that place, I will reach. First, I have to remain calm, cool, find a person, find a mechanic, get it done, and move on. Okay. Instead of just being stressed and panicking, I will not be able to concentrate and think what to do next. Instead of panicking and doing all that, I will just I'll remain calm. I will think what to do next. I'll take the necessary step and I'll move ahead. So you all have to be in a witness state. Okay, you just have to take any problem as if you must have heard about Gita or if you must have read about Gita. Lord Krishna is the best person, I would say. He always witnessed everything. Okay, he saw everything as a drama, and he did that to explain us that we are all the characters. Okay, we are just the characters playing our roles. It is the drama what we see in our serials, in our on the stage life, everywhere. And if you must have some point always played a character. Okay, so when you play that character, you just play it. You don't take anything into your life. Okay, any role you have played it, you just play the character and you observe. So we all have to be an observer. We just have to play our character and not take it seriously at all. Okay, things are going to come, problems are going to come, and they are going to go also. They are not going to remain with us lifelong. Okay, so you just have to see it. Something, some incident happened to you in your life. So related to somewhere you must have seen in some movie or some this thing. Yes, it happens to everyone. So you are also one of it. It has happened to you and you play your role. Now, how you play your role is very important. In that situation, when you have seen so many people dealing with that problem in different ways, and how did they handle it, whether positive or negative. So you have to choose which way you want to handle it. Okay. And handle the situation very nicely, calmly, coolly, and you will feel that problem is not a problem at all. Okay, so firstly, there should be nothing like a problem in your life. Problem is not वो word ही निकल जाना चाहिए. That's a situation, and that situation, how you handle it, that is your beauty of your working with life. Okay, so anything happens to you, you just remain calm and think how well, how smartly I can handle this situation. And you have to relate to so many things. Any situation which has happened to thousands of people. Okay, and you must have heard also of everyone going through that situation. So you just have to take motivating examples and follow them rather than getting depressed or anxious or getting passing taking anger on you and passing it to others. We are not going to do all that. So best way to do that is positive and negative self-talk. We generally talk with ourselves. Okay, it no, knowingly or unknowingly we are or constantly talking with ourselves. So just watch your thoughts. What type of thoughts you are feeding your mind? Many a times, n number of times, we are just feeding our mind the negative thoughts. Negative thoughts in the thoughts since the thoughts which we have with a lower self-esteem, we don't look upon us. We have very poor self esteem. Okay, so we keep on believing that we are not able to do, we cannot do, we'll not be able to handle, we not only generally comes in our thoughts. So we have to replace all this. We have to replace all these thoughts. You just first observe what kind of thoughts are coming. They'll come naturally. That thoughts you have to tactfully change it. Okay, you have to change it from I can't to I can, and I can easily do it. There's nothing big in it. Okay, so these things you will have to little bit change while talking to yourself, and self talk is very very important. You have to talk to yourself but in a positive way. All positive things you have to fill in your mind. Now, causes of stress can be many a times physical environment, social interaction, Physical environment like noise भी बहुत सारा हो रहा है आजू बाजू, that may also bring stress, especially in the elderly people. We see that bright lights, heat. Heat is also important. When we go out in a sunny day, that also creates a physical environment. This physical environment causes stress. Okay. Small spaces, confined spaces. All these things are some examples of, say, physical environment which causes stress. Then there are social interaction. When we interact with our friends or anyone in a family socially, okay, so there we experience, all of us do experience, it's not you or I, it's everyone. We experience rudeness. Okay, there will be some point, some person talking rudely to us. So that hurts us and that creates stress. Then there will be some people who are always bossing over us, knowingly unknowingly, they must not be realizing, but just because we are taking them as our bosses, we are allowing them to boss over us, and then that bossiness is causing stress in us. So these are the situation. Aggressiveness. There are people around who are aggressive. Okay. So their aggression is causing us stress. There are friends who are bullying. Okay. So bullying also causes stress. So these are stresses which are happening due to social interaction. And somewhere because of this stress, we think, okay, better let's avoid the situation and not be a social person, and we remain with people who are good to us, and we are in a comfortable zone with them. Okay, so this, but instead of going away, we have to learn to little bit change ourselves and handle the situation and free ourselves from the stress. Okay, we cannot change others, but we can definitely change ourselves. Okay, then if we are in an organization or schools or colleges, then there are set of rules regulations. Okay, so following these rules and regulations sometimes becomes stress for many. Okay, sometimes following the deadlines, ये सारी चीजें leads to stress. Major life event like birth है, death है, loss of a job, promotion किसी का चला गया, marital status changes, or in the school you lose your marks, you lose your rank, instead of coming first you come second. All these things are some major events. You expected 98 and you get 80s. So all these events also cause stress. Then daily hassles, communicating, misplacing keys, mechanical breakdown. All these daily hassles also causes stress. I'm just getting you all through the stress so you understand what exactly is stress, and then we will come to the point how to release it. Internal stresses we have is our lifestyle choice. Okay, the way we choose our lifestyle. Okay, this also causes stress. Negative self talk, mind traps. Okay, mind trap is we are over expecting ourselves. We are not having realistic goals, unrealistic expectation from ourselves. That is how we are creating stress for us. We are taking things personally. Okay, these are all mind traps. Agar in general also it is being told, but we take it very personally. Okay, class may, if the teacher is just giving general instruction, but we feel no, she is just telling me, I know she is telling me only. Okay, so this things taking personally is somewhere a mind trap which is going to cause stress in your life. Then lack of sleep, overloaded schedule, all these things are causes of stress which directly relate to our performance. Okay, so these stresses get piled up and we go into negative thoughts, we go towards negativity, and then we lose our performance. Okay, and then slowly our confidence goes down. Okay, these are small incidents which pile up and become big. So again, these are the symptoms. I'll just read out quickly and then we'll move ahead. Difficulty in sleeping. Those who sleep late, okay, get up late. It's the reason there is some stress. Stomach pain. In school life, many a times homework not done. So suddenly the stomach starts paining and we tell mummy ke nahi jana hai school aaj. Stomach is paining. The mother knows it's not a you are bluffing, but actually it may be paining, and that pain is because of the stress which you are going through. So teeth grinding, headaches, difficulty in concentrating, sweating of hands and feet, heat burns, excessive sleeping, पूरा दिन सोना ही है, सोना ही है, सोना ही है. That सोना ही है is not a sign of laziness, but it's a sign of stress. Okay? ज़्यादा नींद आ रही है. Social isolation, fatigue, feeling overwhelmed, weight gain or weight loss. Okay? Sudden weight gain or sudden weight loss, irritability, panic attacks. All these are indicators of stress. Okay. Academic stress. Okay. These most of us now we are facing what is academic stress. Other stress तो है ही life में, but सबसे major stress is academic, and this is due to the competition level increasing. For everything we have to face competition. We have to get good marks. We have to get into all the activities. All activities also we have to excel. Whichever activities we are doing, we have to excel. Somebody is doing good in music, so I also have to go in music. Somebody is doing good in dance. We don't see our internal strength, we don't see our internal likings. We just are running into the rat race. We are just following others, and that is creating stress to us. Okay, so it's very important to know yourself, identify what you are, identify the stress, and you will surely excel in that particular field. Okay, and here we can yeah, there is a very good thing that we help you identify your strengths, and then you can work on that. Everyone is not perfect, everyone is not good at everything, so we don't have to get stressed if we cannot. A monkey cannot swim and a fish cannot climb a tree. Okay, so that is the best example. We all are made different, we all are unique, so we have to accordingly work. If we don't if you are not doing good in academic, it's fine. Not necessary that you have to be very good at it. You may be good at something else. You just have to need to find out what is your this thing, and you will just polish that thing, and you become good. I've always observed and interacted with many students and realized that they are stressed with competition, peer pressure, and pressure to achieve something in life. मुझे कुछ बनना है, क्या बनना है पता नहीं है, but मुझे बनना है. I have to do something good. So that stress is always there, though you may not show it. You may be carefree, you may not show it, but back of your mind, that stress is there. Okay, so these are the stresses which are we uh, pass through when we are in the academic area. Addition to academics, we have to improve our skills. We have to do our school. We have to do our homework, and after that, our activity जो भी है, we have to excel in that. So all this is leading to stresses. तो ये स्ट्रेस इतना है तो इसको हैंडल कैसे करना है? एक तो ओवरलोड नहीं होना है, जितना हम कर सकते हैं, जितना हमसे होता है, करना है. कंटिन्यूअस नहीं, टेक रेगुलर ब्रेक्स, वी विल सी टू दैट आल्सो. यू हैव टू डू इट एवरीथिंग स्लोली, कामली. ये और एक पार्ट है, पीयर प्रेशर. ओके, देयर आर स्टूडेंट्स हु आर बुलिंग यू, they are teasing you, they are just talking something ill about you. Okay, they are just pulling you down. And this happens with everyone. Okay, it's not only you, it's happening with each and everyone. The person who is pulling your leg or the person who is bullying you, somebody else is bullying him. So don't think that it's only you. It is a chain which is going round and round. So this part is happening to all, but how smartly you handle is important. Here, I'll just like to give you an example of this one ad, which all must have seen on the TV. Okay, this girl is going to school for the first day. The mother is coming to leave her, and she enters the school. And there are seniors who are just when see her entering, they talk to her like a chota packet. They address her as chota packet, and this girl is all okay, and she says, "आप बड़ा packet हो ना?" So it's like she's just changing the atmosphere completely. Those girls must have thought to just rag her or something, but that brought a smile on their face, and then they become friends. Okay, so if a person is troubling us, bullying us, we can just act in a different way than the expectation of that person. Okay, you just have to surprise that person by acting being little bit witty and showing that it's not hurt you. That thing has not hurted you. If you show it has hurted you, that is what that person wants, and he has fulfilled his desire. Why should we fulfill his desire of getting ourselves hurt? Okay, so we are nobody has right to hurt you, and you also shouldn't hurt yourself. So you just have to act smartly to that situation. Just change the whole scene by just giving a positive, calm, cool reply. Okay. And the scene will change completely. Anyone bossing to you, oh wow, good, I'll do it. Fine, that's okay. You are smart at it. You just reply it in that way. You just pamper the ego of the person who is there. See, the person who is torturing you or bullying you or whatever, he has a big ego. Okay, so you just pamper his ego and let it go. So he'll surely become your fan. But if you go to touch or you go to hurt his ego, finish, then it's going to mount pressure on both of you. So better to avoid such situations. And these situations can be handled. And these are nothing which are not happening to you only. It's happening to each and every one of us. Competitions also we can just handle them easily. One way is to plan things properly. Okay, you have to relax, keep yourself relaxed. You have to plan the thing properly. You have to first entry point should be if you are really made for it. Okay, your thing, your expectation from yourself should be something which is realistic. When you are into realistic goals, when you plan and do it in a relaxed way, you can overcome all competitions easily. Okay, and seek support. Like some things are there which you cannot always handle it yourself. You have to take help from others. Some things, if they are troubling you, okay, so you have to go to others and talk to them, take their help, and share your feelings. It's nothing wrong in sharing your feelings. It's whoever you trust. It can be your parents, it can be your best friends, but you need to talk out. आपके अंदर जो कुछ भी है, छोटा मोटा, it's okay. Just go and tell it to somebody. And even if you just tell it, that person may just listen to you. That will also release your stress. And you may get some good advice also. Yes, if the person is not, you feel that the person is again demotivating you, so avoid. But the person who motivates you, just talk to those people and they will give you proper direction. Okay. So talking about also is important. Eating habits. Okay. So your stress is also related to your eating habits. We must have all studied in a science chapter about healthy, unhealthy food, junk food. Okay, that we have seen it as a part of nutrient value, creating in your body, giving you energy, giving you body all the nutrients required for the body. But these things are also connected with the stress. If you eat normal, healthy, halka fulka khana, ghar ka khana, then you are more light and you are stress free. Your body, if you when you eat a junk food, your body के लिए भी एक stress हो जाता है उसको digest करने के लिए. Okay, and that converts that gets into your it converts into the added stress to the things which you are going around. So eating healthy food is very much important. You will see the day you have eaten only fresh vegetables, fruits, light simple homemade food, you will feel your body is light, you will feel happy. if you have eaten lot of vitamin C, अगर citrus fruits खाए हैं, vitamin C की items खाई है, that brings your mood to a happy level. Okay, it's a happy you say happy vitamin giving you happiness. So all these things will add to reducing your stress, eating all the healthy habits. But in you start eating unhealthy things, then that are going to add your body के लिए भी problem होगा internally, and that is going to affect your mind. So eating good eating habits and exercise. Okay, digesting, making exercise helps in easy digestion for your body. So digestion, as it becomes easy, your stress becomes it goes off. Where anytime, any a time, whenever you feel a little bit depressed or a little bit anxious or angry or stressed, instead of removing it on others by yelling or getting irritated, just go out on the ground, take a round, run, or play your favorite game, football, basketball, and then you just come back. You will see you have forgotten what your stress was. You will just feel light and cool. Okay. So anytime you're going through any stress, just take a walk in the garden, simple thing. अगर walk नहीं तो run, play with the dog, cat, street dogs भी होते हैं, उनके साथ भी खेल लो। अगर घर पे नहीं है तो, घर पे है तो they are the best stress busters. बट अगर घर पे भी नहीं है तो you can just do some good thing for a small child, for an animal or anything, and you will see your stress has just ran off. Okay. So we'll just see the tips to manage our stress. First and foremost is to identify your stress. Starting, that is why I just gave you various types of stress. So I hope by now at least you have identified the stress. So identify the stress and the source. Now you have identified your stress. Very good. You identified 4 stresses. I'm glad. Now you identify the source. What are the sources that are creating this stress? Okay. Learn to recognize the stress signals. Okay, what are the trigger points? When do you get somebody is telling you something negative about you? Is that so? You have to learn to train your mind. If somebody tells me anything negative, it's I am the judge of myself. Okay, I and only me, I'm the judge of myself. I know what the situation is, and I have handled the situation very beautifully. So the other person has no right to talk anything. Even if he talks, it's his perception. See, everyone has their perceptions. So they are just putting their perceptions. Okay. So you don't have to, whatever their trigger point is. Maybe my trigger point is somebody talks negative about me, so I get wild. I shouldn't. Okay. So that is what I have to change, bring a shift in my thoughts, in my mind. So learn to recognize these signals, and then your positive talk and your self esteem will help you get over it. Recognize the stress strategies, implement healthy stress management strategies, which we will see, and make self care. Your self care is your priority. Unless and until you care about yourself, nobody else. Okay. It's a myth that we expect my mother, my father, my spouse will care about me, and then we wait for them to care, and that brings us happiness. No, we don't have to wait for anyone. It is me. I am responsible for myself, and I have to prioritize myself. Okay. So whatever for my body, whatever food is required, whatever exercise is required, whatever things make me happy, which I know more than others, whoever is close to us, but still more than them, only I know myself. So I have to take care of myself. Okay. So take charge of yourself and ask for support if needed. Yes, they are there to hear. Everyone is there. You have to ask for support from the people who are very motivating to you. So if you, I have just left this blank. If you have identified and if you have a pen and paper, you just can write out a few things which are causing stress. This will help you. Okay. So what are the things which are causing me stress? You can just make a mind map sort of and just write those things. And next is things which make me angry. Your anger is also directly related with your stress level. So things that make me angry, okay, that also. What are the triggers which I get angry at? There's somebody, कोई ना कोई होता है जिसकी वजह से या जो भी चीज एक पर्टिकुलर थिंग होती है जिसकी वजह से आपको तुरंत गुस्सा आ जाता है. So you are very particular. You want to be very punctual, okay, and because of somebody you get late. So finish. Then there you start panicking. So these are the triggers. What makes you feel angry? You just have to write it down over here. And then we have to make a strategy to work on ourselves. Okay. So first you just write down the things which make you angry. And then we cannot change people. We have to change ourselves how to handle this situation. Okay. Then there are a list of ways which we experience stress, maybe physically hai, emotionally hai, mentally hai. Okay. So which we discussed in start. So I had given you a list, but that was a general list. You have to just make your own list. What are the physical things which are giving me stress? What are the emotional things which are giving me stress? What are the mental things which are giving me stress? Okay. And then out of all, just circle the ones which are giving you maximum stress. Okay, out of all these you have listed down, just circle the few which you are giving you maximum stress, and then we have to find the way to reduce this. Okay, some are okay. Out of the five you must have listed, two three are manageable. There is one thing which is not manageable. Just circle it, just highlight it. Okay. And when you have done this, now for getting ourselves, we have to now do mental programming. Our brain ka mental programming with positive steps, sorry, thoughts. Okay. So you have to keep your mind, you have to tell your mind that you can, the situation will go off, and whatever it is, the negative has to replace the positive thought. Okay. कोई भी सिचुएशन है, लाइक सपोज ऑफिस का प्रेशर है. ओके, so office may there may be many concerns. You are doing some work and you are not being identified. Your this thing is going to somebody else. So does that mean that you will stop doing the good work? Is that the solution? You are getting stress every time you do something good, but the appreciation is not being given. Are we doing it for appreciation? Yes, appreciation is required. Yes, that is a motivating factor. Okay, that motivates everyone. But anywhere, any work ho ya school ho, always you will not find people that will motivate. You are the best motivator. We have to motivate ourselves. End of the day, we will be satisfied with ourselves that I could do it well. Okay, you will get a good sleep if you have done your work properly. But rather than wasting your energy and your mind on thinking, okay, I have was not being appreciated, you think on what next you can go ahead, what next you can do more better than this. So your total shift should not be, you should not be bothered with your you may have politics in your offices or in your school, some people bullying you or you are bossing you, all those things, it's there, it's going to be part of your life. You just have to train your mind and shift that totally. You have to just remove your attention. Pura time if you are going to think of them, your productivity is going to hamper. Don't give them that much importance. Okay, nothing is all that important. So just remove them and you concentrate on your work and your improvement. Today you are in this job, next maybe you will jump on to the other one. But if you have worked on your skills and if you have empowered your skills, you will be performing anywhere better. Okay, so concentrate on working on your skills rather than all the other things. Keep your mind away from all this. Short term strategies, long term strategies, plan for yourself. We have to plan for individually according to the problem. Small strategy how you can just get through it. Then acting fast. Okay, make a strategy and then act fast on it. Best way of getting all through, I'll just take you all through a session of meditation. So these are all I have just talked, but the best way to get out of all this, training your mind is one way. Talking to people who are say positive towards you, talking to them about your problem is other way. And the third one, going out in outdoor activities, playing with the pet. And the best one is meditation. Okay, you have to bring in meditation in your life for at least 10-15 minutes a day. Meditation is nothing but knowing yourself, self realization, realizing yourself. Okay, going deep inside. You don't have to lose hope and you have to just keep going. Life is a drama, it's a play, and you have to play your role and watch others role if you, as if you are watching a movie. Okay, saas bahu hum dekhte hi hai. So if we are one of it, it's okay, we just have to observe, and you have to just observe the role how the other person is playing. You just have to take that person as if he is playing some role, not take it personally. Anything which is happening, we just have to not take it personally. And one guru mantra you have to just keep on telling yourself is I love myself, I accept myself, I forgive myself. Okay. ये you just have to keep in your this thing. Daily you just have to keep reciting. Okay, you can keep tapping also. There is one tapping technique which abhi to nahi, we'll do it later. There you just have to tap the points and you just have to keep on saying I love myself, I accept myself, and I forgive myself, and that will just release your pressure. It's very important. Somewhere we are getting frustrated or we are not getting uh, I mean, whether it be work or be a school or anything, it's because we are not loving ourselves, okay, and we are not accepting. We are want ourselves. We are comparing ourselves with somebody else, okay, in the workplace or in the school or wherever. So we are constantly comparing. So that comparison have to stop. We don't have to compare ourselves. We just have to accept ourselves as we are. Okay. I am the best. I love myself and I forgive myself. We are normal human beings. Okay. We tend to make mistakes. All of us make mistakes. So there is no big deal. We have to forgive ourselves. It's easy to forgive others. We generally forgive others. Okay. It's some many a times we don't forgive others. वो grudges भी रहते हैं, but we have to come out of it. I'll just show you that also. We have to first forgive others, but many a times it happens. Others का तो over a period of time we forget that situation. Even though we don't forgive, वो अपने life से चले जाते हैं, and then we tend to slowly forget and forgive. But हम हमारे साथ तो पूरा time रहते हैं, and we don't forgive ourselves. So that is very important. We have to forgive ourselves. Emotionally, we have to become free. Okay. So I'll just show you now. There are last 5 minutes. I'll just take, and then we can have another questions from you all if you all have any. Uh, Simple technique of meditation. Uh, every day you can just give 5 minutes to yourself. First, I will show you. Then you can just do it with me. Just take your palm, just keep it open and put it on your lap. Sit comfortably wherever you are sitting in a comfortable position. Sit straight. Open your palm, keep it on your lap. Then with the right hand, okay, right hand, keep it on your heart. I'll say few affirmations. You have to say after me. Then you have to keep the same right hand on your neck, okay, then on your forehead, then behind where we wear girls generally put choti, there, and on your head over here, okay. So these are the 5 steps which you will have to do. If you all are ready, let's all do it together. Sit with your palm open, relax. Now slowly take your right hand and put it on your heart. Okay, on your left heart. Just put your hand on your left heart and just say behind me, I am a pure soul. I am a pure soul. I am a pure soul. मैं एक शुद्ध आत्मा हूँ. मैं एक शुद्ध आत्मा हूँ. Okay. Slowly take the same hand, put it on the neck, the cross way, okay, towards the left side. The right hand goes to the left side. So take your hand, keep it over here and say, I am not guilty. I am not guilty. मैं निर्दोष हूँ. मैं निर्दोष हूँ. मैं निर्दोष हूँ. Slowly take the same hand, keep it on your forehead. And here you will say, I forgive everyone. In general, you have to say, I forgive everyone. You don't have to take anyone's name or you don't have to recollect. There may be so many people who must have hurted you. Okay. So just forgive them because this is going to help you to release your stress. अगर आप वो एक्यूमुलेट करोगे, दिमाग में रखोगे, तो वो पर्सन को तो कुछ नहीं होगा, बट आपको जरूर हार्म होगा. So it's very important to forgive them, not for them, but for yourself, you have to forgive them. Okay? हम अपने लिए ही उनको सबको क्षमा करेंगे. I forgive everyone. मैंने सभी को एक साथ क्षमा कर दिया. Okay? मैंने सभी को क्षमा कर दिया. I forgive everyone. Then take same hand and put it behind where we tied choti. We pray, these are the prayers we can do to the God, okay, to the Almighty, whoever God you pray to. Okay, you can pray to that and you just have to ask forgiveness from that Almighty. Oh Lord, oh Almighty, knowingly or unknowingly, if I have done any mistake, please forgive me. Oh Lord, knowingly or unknowingly, if I have done any mistake, please forgive me. मुझे क्षमा कीजिए. जाने अनजाने में अगर मुझसे कोई भूल हुई हो तो मुझे क्षमा कीजिए. मुझे क्षमा कीजिए. Now take this hand and keep it over here. Okay. This is called the fontanel bone, which is getting connected to the universal energy. Okay. This is the area which connects us to the universal energy. So here we keep our hand and we ask the God, okay, whichever God you believe in. We just ask, oh Lord, please give me my self realization. Oh Lord, please give me my self realization. Oh Lord, please give me my self realization. मुझे मेरा आत्म साक्षात्कार प्रदान कीजिए. मुझे मेरा आत्म साक्षात्कार प्रदान कीजिए. मुझे मेरा आत्म साक्षात्कार प्रदान कीजिए. Okay, just move your hand in clockwise direction 7 times. Press it little bit and move it in clockwise direction like this. And then slowly lift it. You will feel some magnetic force, some vibrations, which may be either cool or hot. Some may experience it, some may not. It's fine. If you experience cool vibration means you have got your self realization. If your vibrations are hot, there is some stress and you will overcome it by regularly doing. All have to do it regularly. Take your left hand, you can just feel again. You will feel it hot, little bit hot, or you may feel the coolness. Bring both your hands down and just close your eyes and sit for 2 minutes. Just try to be thoughtless. It's very important to be thoughtless. Okay, when the gap between the thoughts reduces. Now if you just sit for quietly for 2 minutes and you just observe your mind, constantly hundreds of thoughts are coming per second. So this our aim is to reduce this thoughts. Okay, just observe yourself, just see what is happening with you. Watch yourself, just watch yourself. Don't strain to stop with the thoughts and all that. Just observe what type of thoughts are coming, what is happening. Whenever you are facing any problem and you are not getting any solution, so after meditation, if you sit in meditation and after some time, when you see you have calmed down, your thoughts have reduced, you will automatically get good ideas. Okay, so when the gap between the two thoughts increases, okay, there are n number of thoughts coming in, so these thoughts हम लोग completely तो reduce नहीं हो सकता है. It's not a magic that we become thoughtless. Yes, our aim is to become thoughtless and it will gradually happen. It happens by regular meditation. Slowly, the thoughts start becoming less. And the time the thoughts become less, you become a creative person. You become getting creative means not only the drawing and all that. You start getting good ideas. You become out of box thinker in whichever field you are, wherever you are, whether it be school or office or any workplace. Your ideas will be appreciated. You will be getting instant ideas. You will also not know, okay, from where you just spoke. You will just start getting it. But this happens when you start meditating and reducing the number of thoughts which are going through. So your aim in life to reduce stress is, first is forgiveness. You have to 100% forgive. Second is become thoughtless. Try to reduce the number of thoughts. And third, very important, is surrender yourself. Okay, we surrender to the Almighty. There is nothing that we are doing. Our ego makes us think that I am doing, I. We have to get rid of this I. Okay, we have to surrender ourselves. We have to come into the witness state and observe everything as a drama. This drama is already being, what you say, it's already been written. Okay, it's already been written. Everything is there scripted. We are just playing our role. Okay, that surrendering part, when it comes, we surrender completely. Then everything will go smoothly in your life. Okay, so these are the few things from my side. Anything else, if you want to ask or share, please feel free. If you want, I'll just repeat these steps. I'll just show you all these steps of meditation which you can do. Keep your palms open on your lap. Then take the right hand on the heart and say that I am a pure soul. Okay. You can say, because we are all children of God and we are all very pure. Okay. You have to believe. हमारे अंदर जो आत्मा है वो आत्मा is very pure. We are all pure souls. Then here we don't have to feel guilty. Okay, हमारा जो self esteem है वो increase करना है. How do we increase our self esteem? By not feeling guilty. So keeping your hand over here and just telling yourself कि I am not guilty will help increase our self esteem. Okay, so you can just keep your hand over here and say I am not guilty. Then keep your hand on your forehead and say I forgive everyone. Very important. Just remove all the garbage and just say you forgive everyone. And then behind, you have to forgive yourself. Okay, this is again for your self esteem and your own confidence. God has already forgiven us. Okay, He is very kind. It's nothing that He punishes and all that is all nonsense. He is ready to forgive. We just have to ask for forgiveness. Okay, and then here for our self realization, we have to sit then into meditation and be with ourselves, self talk, give positive talk, and get back our confidence. And you will get solutions also, excellent solution when you meditate. You think of sitting for 10 minutes, you'll not get up for 15-20 minutes. You like to sit with yourself. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free. Actually, this has to be interactive. Once you all talk, it can be discussed more better. Great. Sajan is going to try all these steps. Sajan, I hope you remember all these steps.
Hello, am I audible?
Pranayam and asanas will help you. Like here, there is a point. Okay. So doing this pranayam generally clears this point which goes over here. Breathing तो अपना clear होता ही है. Breathing के लिए भी very important. And pranayama also relaxes all your muscles and provides proper oxygen which is required to each and every part. And asanas जो भी है, depending on which specific you can do to the problem specific or general asanas, that will relax your body. Okay, and remove all the stress. So doing yoga, pranayam, asanas along with meditation also relaxes the body and removes all the stress. आपका stress है ना, हर एक part में कहीं ना कहीं छुपा हुआ होता है. So doing all this also releases all the stress. As I said, you can go to ground. The same way you can do this yoga asanas also. That is also equally going to reduce the stress. Yes, it Anita ji, it happens. We cannot come out of the stress. but that will happen when you take it as a stress. You just have to take it as a small incident which is happened and it is going to go off. Okay, so you just have to forgive the situation, you have to forgive yourself and move on. Okay, I know it's difficult, it's easy for me to say, but it takes time. Now after this session, I hope you must have realized that that stress, whatever you're going through, is not at all important. Don't give importance in your life. There are so many things you're missing on because of this stupid thing. Okay, so just let it pass off and concentrate yourself on some other things which are really good. Enjoy yourself, do things which you really like, talk, play, move, watch a movie. Okay, and try to divert your mind and do this small meditation. You will surely come out of the stress. Okay, thank you so much. It was great interacting with you all, and I hope you'll gain from this seminar and wish you all a stress free life.